Good afternoon, my dear children. Today we are going to learn EVS lesson number 3, storage of water. Okay, children, you know that all the water we get comes from the rain. Okay, and the rainy season lasts for 3 or 4 months. Along with us, all living things use this water all year round. Okay, see the uses of water. Water is useful for everyday bath, then washing clothes, for drinking, washing utensils, okay, for cooking the food, for garden and the plants, for the crops in the field, for drinking for the animals, for the constructions and for fire to go out. So these are the uses of water. In the olden days, several methods of storing water were used in our state. Okay, see, these older storage are rarely used. Okay, so see here, first of all, well. Some rainwater seeps into the ground. Wells are dug to obtain this water. And you can see here draw well and ard. Okay, ard. So in the past, draw wells were dug to get drinking water. There were small wells from which water was drawn using a small pot that is called pohora tied to a rope. And Atpati in Sangli district had a draw well in every wada. Okay, so the draw wells had water all year round. And when the tap water system was introduced, the draw wells went out of use. Okay, and see here now, uh, these are some recent systems. Okay, first of all, see here modern methods of water storage, that is called dams. And dams made it possible to store huge quantities of water. You can see here lots of water is there. Okay, as a result, more land was brought under cultivation and cities began to grow. That's why we need this recent system, that is called modern methods of water storage, dams. Okay, and some see here some bore wells. Okay, wells were dug to reach the water under the ground, but it was not possible to draw deep seated ground water. Now, with the help of electric pumps, it is possible to do so. So, bore wells are dug for this purpose, and these wells are very deep but very narrow. And see here, panpois. Panpois means this drinking water stands. People out on the roads need water when they are thirsty. In some places, big clay jars of drinking water are kept for the use of such people. This water is offered free of charge. Okay, panpoi. This water is offered free of charge, and this is known as panpoi. This is written in Marathi, but in English, panpoi. Okay, panpois are set up by individuals or institutions. Panpois are very useful, especially in summer. Okay, uh, see here traditional methods of water storage, that is called wells, bunds, tanks means how. These are some traditional methods of water storage, and some modern methods of water storage are dams, bore wells, and panpois. Dams, that is Jayakwadi, Koina, Ujni and Eldari. Okay, thank you.